So here we have the climate regulator bot. It's got 4 DC fan motors over here and 8 grow lights, which the system controls. The motors over here are controlled by 2 motor drivers. All the control circuits are combined, so you only have 2 wires controlling all 4 circuits. They're powered by 4 9-volt batteries over here. The motors are triggered on by the temperature sensor, supposed to be above 29 Celsius. They're supposed to turn on, and below 0 Celsius. Now, we did establish temperatures in Fahrenheit, so I did convert it to Fahrenheit. So in the code, it's going to be below 32 and above 85, but in Celsius, since this temperature sensor is in Celsius, it's below 0 and above 29. So above 29 here, so the motors are on, but if you go between 0 and 29, they turn off, and then if you go below 0, they turn back on again. Now, the bulbs over here are controlled by these 2 relays which control the power flow from these batteries. The relay trigger pins are triggered by pin 7 on the Arduino board. There's a 1000 ohm resistor here, and the Arduino triggers the relays depending on the analog signal from the photoresistor right here. Now, it's an analog signal from 0 to 1024, so below 250 the lights are supposed to be on, and above 250 the lights turn off. So so if we turn up the lighting input to a value of above 250, the lights should be off here, and then you turn it back below 250 and the lights turn on. So let's go over the code here. Here we're establishing our integers: motor pin 1, motor pin 2, temp sensor, integer light, integer relay pin 7, void setup, setting up the inputs and outputs. The analog signals are inputs, the relay pin output, motor pin 1 and 2 output. Void loop: if light is below 250, it turns on the relay pin high. If light is above 250, digital relay pin low, that turns the relay off, which turns the lights off. Here we have the formula. So you're getting the analog value of the temperature sensor, and then you're converting that analog value to Celsius, and then you're converting this Celsius value to Fahrenheit, and then println temperature Fahrenheit. That's going to give you the temperature reading in the serial monitor. We have if temperature is above 85 or temperature is below 32, motor pin 1 high, motor pin 2 low. That's going to turn on all the motors. If temperature is below 85 and temperature is above 32, motor pin 1 low, motor pin 2 low, that's going to turn the motors off.